Welcome back to the HatarakiGai 12-week list building bootcamp. If you're watching the training video for the first time, you may want to start with Week 1 video first. This is Week 3, How to Make a Comic Book Effect Story Video. The Stream Solution Circle is a supportive community for online business creators. We focus on zero waste by eliminating muda, waste, mura, uneven workload, and muri, overload. When I create Snow Sugar Video Circle to teach how to make a story video, I learned that making and sharing like story videos can change someone's life. Storytelling is the most effective way to resonate with people, to get to know yourself and clarify your ideas. The better you know yourself and clarify your purpose and goals, the easier it's to reach target customers. I will briefly explain how to access the platform and make your comic book effect self-introduction story video. Happy to see you inside of the class. I wrote my self-introduction with my friend Gail's help. Thank you, Gail. I guess it's a 10 minutes long script. If you want to know the exact minutes, you can record your voice using the voice recorder app that comes with the iPhone first. To know the exact minutes, you need to shoot. As you read my self-introduction script, I want to shoot videos, 1970s video camera, 1980s NEC Japanese computer, Japanese mother is knitting, Japanese father is practicing his golf swing, and so on. So I researched for images in my photo album or on Google. I found a 1970s video camera image that was the same one that my dad purchased. I will open the Clips app on my iPhone, tap plus sign to create a new project, flip the camera, tap on the rainbow-colored star icon, select the comic book filter, then capture the images or computer screen by holding a pink button to shoot the video clip for a few seconds. I suggest taking some photos in case you need to make the video longer. When you shoot yourself, you can do it the same way. As default Clips app, use a front-facing camera. Tap on the rainbow-colored star icon, select the comic book filter, then you can capture your face by holding a pink button to shoot for a few seconds and take some photos just in case. I shot my face without my voice. You can record your voice while you're shooting yourself. You can repeat the process until you get all the video clips you need for your story video project. If you keep shooting inside of the project, all your video clips will be connected together and saved as one video project. If you'd like to save a video clip individually, you can create a new project with each video clip. After you are done, tap the share icon next to the project that shows in the lower right corner. It will pop up more. You can transfer the video into the Video Shop app. If you don't see it, you can click more and scroll down. If you still haven't seen it, you can select Save Video in your photo gallery. In this video, I will show you how to record a voiceover using the Video Shop app. Video audio is the most important thing for the viewers. Please do not record your voice using the internal iPhone mic. The viewer will hear the echo of your voice in the room along with other noise in the background. Please use earbuds with the microphone that came with your iPhone. If you have a lavalier mic, it would be ideal. But earbuds or AirPods mic are pretty good. Most of the Snow Sugar story video on YouTube were recorded with Buds mic or $20 lavalier microphone. Now I am using an iRig lavalier microphone that you've seen in my mic comparison video. When you're ready to record your voiceover, tap on the mic icon that says Voice. If it's the first time using it, it will pop up a small window that asks you for permission to access your iPhone mic. You can tap to allow to access the mic to the app. Growing up with tech lover father. Tap the red circle button to record your voice. This app doesn't give you a countdown timer to record like other video editing apps. Be ready to talk when you tap the red start button. When you finish, tap the green check mark icon to review. Tap the microphone icon that is in the blue bubble speech icon. If you'd like to retake, tap the trash can to delete, then start over again. I used my iPhone earbuds with a microphone to record my voiceover. In this video, I will show you how to cut and trim video clips on the Video Shop app. If you trim your video clips on the beginning or ending, tap on the clip, then tap on the scissors icon that says Trim. You can trim the video by moving a yellow bar with a dot. If you trim exactly, you can use the bottom keys that shows -1 and +1 icons. Tap the vertical yellow bar first, then tap the -1 or +1 icons to trim by 0.1 second. See the timestamps meter on the top banner to make sure. Then tap the green checkmark icon to save. If you want to cut your video in the middle of the video clip, tap Cut. Then move the yellow bar to edit. Then tap the green checkmark icon to save. If you want to split a video clip, move the yellow bar where you want to split. Then tap the green checkmark icon to save. I use the split feature when I cut a few areas in a video clip. I hope you learn how to trim, cut, and split a video clip on Video Shop app. In this video, I will show you how to add music with the Video Shop app. Adding background music is easy. Tap the music note icon that says Music on the toolbar. It pops up a window from the bottom. It shows featured My Music and Sound Effect on the top. Tap on the featured, scroll down categories. I will select Cinematic. Tap any music to play. Tap again to stop playing. I didn't find anything I liked. I tap the top left corner, arrow to go back. Then I select the Happy category to play other music choices. Then I select the one I like by tapping Use. Now I set the music note icon to my video clip on the timeline. If the music is too loud, I can move the dots on the volume to lower the volume. If I want this music to repeat, I can tap the loop icon. If you want to fade out the music at the end, tap the sound wave icon, then move the circle to lower the audio gain. Then tap the green checkmark icon to save the music. I'm really amazed that the Video Shop app has an audio gain meter to change the volume professionally. I hope you learned how to add music and fade out at the end of the video using the sound wave feature on Video Shop app. In this video, I will show you how to upload a video project from the Video Shop app. When you finish editing your video project on the Video Shop app, tap the share button that is located at the bottom of the project. It will show up all the social media icons. Tap on the YouTube icon and sign in to your Google account to allow access. Then you can select the channel to upload. Because I am managing many YouTube channels, including my clients, I don't want to give a permission to the app to access my YouTube channels. I will select the Save to Camera Roll option. Then, upload video from YouTube app. Now I am uploading the video on IGTV, Instagram TV too. I hope you learn how to upload your video project from an iPhone and that your followers will be impressed by your creation. You may be curious why I teach a comic book effect story video for self-introduction. Can you guess? Yeah, that's right. It's productivity reason. I have a full idea of StotyVideo, but I can spend 3 or 5 hours a day editing. If I want to make 5 videos a week, I need to come up with the fastest way to make a story video. That's part of the reason for using a photo to edit a story video at the beginning. Now I need to compose a screen recording and audio editing. I edit story videos using my Mac Mini desktop computer. Here are the 3 main reasons I use comic book effect video to edit. 1. I don't need to do heavy makeup and hair. 2. I don't have to worry about a copyright of the image. 3. Eye-catching comic book effect video stands out from the crowd. I spent only 4 hours making my self-intro video. That was easy. If you want to learn how to craft stories, you can learn more from my other story video classes. You will learn how to write a short story from other story video lessons in the Easy Story Video Circle. The link in this class description. Please make a self-introduction story video using comic book effect and share it with me or us in the comments section below. We can learn from each other and share comments that can help you to improve. I can't wait to get to know you by watching a self-intro story video. If you have any questions, please use the comment box below to ask them. I or this group will work to answer your questions. Thank you for watching this video lesson again. I hope it has helped. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the live Q&A video or next week video.